Let's solve one more question. So now, in this question, the composition of compound is given. It has magnesium, that is 9.76%, sulfur is 13.01%, oxygen 26.01%, and water is 51.22%. What is the empirical formula? The new thing in this question is, in the previous questions which we discussed, only the percentages of elements were given. Here the percentage of the compound, that is water, is also given. Now it means that the compound is hydrated compound, right? There is a water of crystallization in the compound. Let's find out how to solve this question. So first we have to make this table and follow the certain steps that we have already discussed. The first step is the elements we have to write. The first element is magnesium, that is magnesium, sulfur, oxygen and water, right? Now their percentages: 9.76%, sulfur is 13.01%, oxygen is 26.01% and water is 51.22%. And now we have to write the atomic masses. Magnesium atomic mass is 24, sulfur is 32, right? Oxygen, it is 16, and the molecular mass of water is 18. Now we have to find out the number of moles. There is a simple formula to find out the number of moles, is given weight upon the molar mass, right? Now if we consider that the mass of the compound is 100 gram, then these will be the weights of the elements and water in grams. That is, magnesium is 9.76 grams, sulfur is 13.01 gram, and oxygen is 26.01 gram, and water is 51.22 grams. So given weight upon molar mass means 9.76 divided by 24, we will get 0.4, right? Next, 13.01 divided by 32, we will get again 0.4, right? 26.01 divided by 16, we will get 1.6, and 51.22 divided by 18, we will get 2.8. Now what is the next step? Next step is to divide all these number of moles by the least value of the number of moles, and 0.4 is the least value. So 0.4 divided by 0.4, that is equal to 0.4 divided by 0.4, and 0.4 divided by 0.4 again, 1.6 divided by 0.4, and 2.8 divided by 0.4. So 2.8 divided by 0.4, right? So we will get 1, 0.4 by 0.4, again it is equal to 1, 1.6 upon 0.4, that is equal to 4, and 2.8 divided by 0.4, that is equal to 7, right? It means that the number of moles of the atoms in the compound magnesium is 1, number of moles of sulfur is equal to 1, the number of moles of oxygen is equal to 4, and the number of moles of water is equal to 7. Therefore, the simplest formula, if we write, it will be MgSO4 dot 7 H2O, right. So, this is the formula. Let's move on to the next question.